there's a nifty aftermarket twist on our edge guards. So this here is a traditional edge guard. This is what comes with the printer. What I've seen done is you take an edge guard and you order an extra set. So you need 2 full sets to do this. And what we do is we take the second set apart, and what you have here is a single edge guard, but with another edge guard doubled up. And they look exactly the same this way. And what we're doing is simply adding another one, and you're using the exact same screws. By doing so, you're elongating the edge guard. The edge guard is twice as long. I use this on occasion for some high-intensity prismatics. I've used it for some 12-point cardstock. There's certain medias that, because of the memory of the media and the arc of the media, that you're simply going to need a little more to hold it down. What will happen with some high-intensity prismatics is as it travels across the platen, the single edge guard will hold it down along with the vacuum, but as soon as it passes the edge guard and it goes through into the curing tunnel, it'll come up just a hair. And after it goes through, the weight of it will automatically lay it flat, but until that happens, the print head will barely, the front of the carriage will barely touch the media, and it can leave little scratches. This will help with that, and that's what it was designed to do. One thing to keep in mind is when you have a double edge guard like this, one part of it is holding it down, and then there's a space, and then you have the other part holding it down. In that area of the space with some medias, I've encountered some difficulties where you at least want to be aware of that. I have in some cases taken something and kind of bridged this gap. Lots of little tricks to do that. But for the most part, I haven't needed it. This has fulfilled some of the expectations I'm looking for on certain medias that just simply have a lot of memory. Maybe at the end of a 12-point cardstock, I might use this. So that's what these are for. It's a nice touch, something I thought I would mention. The way I have it set up is I have a single set of edge guards, which is what I use regularly. And then occasionally what I did is I ordered 2 full sets, and I just have a permanent double. And then I have an extra top piece that just sort of sits idle that I could use if something were damaged on one of them. So that's the double edge guard. Just thought I would mention it, explain what it does, why you would use it, and what it looks like and how to create one.